Tandra. No start. Bring in recovery. No, we check where is the problem. Crank, Francis. Yes, Francis, okay. Francis, any code?
It's not communicating. This computer, I don't know what is happening to him because today also the lessons I checked, it is not communicating.
Uh-huh.
This one.
Open if you fix again. Maybe. Maybe want to update.
Vehicle information failure.
Manual.
Manual also is given too much. 2000.
Max, he says Toyota. This one. Read.
This is failed.
2012.
2012.
Yes. Diagnose. Control unit. Engine. Trouble. Mass air flow too much. You clear all the code?
Clear.
Maybe somebody opened the wire. Okay. Read. Okay.
Start.
Okay. Off the switch or turn on again. Yeah. Start, huh? Yes, no, you read it. Again. Fuel pressure in the gauge. Open the red clip.
It's okay.
This is also another car. Lexus 430. Okay. हाँ जी सबर
कंपनी वाले को बोलना जरा क्या
This is also no crankbait, no start. Okay.
This one is different.
ये भी थोड़ी देर पहले भी आया
This car Tandra fuel pump issue, no fuel delivery in the injector. When I check the diagram, this is a fuel pump. This is red and blue wire for fuel pump. This is the fuel pump ECU. This and pin number 6 is positive, controlled by relay, and pin number 3 is negative, body ground, and pin 4 and pin 5. This for the ECU control, engine control, module control, and 1 and 2 for the fuel pump. 1 is positive and 2 is negative. Let's see in the car, down the car, and see which electric is coming, which is not coming. Crank. No any positive.
Wait.
This is pin 1.
Yeah. See.
Crank. No.
Wait.
No.
Or is there any setting?
Fuel pump issue.
No, from here, or it is same.
This is pin number 1.
You turn this one.
Okay. Oh, it is okay. Crank.
You can see.
Yes. Well,
Number 2.
crank. Karo. This is the fuel pump issue. Problem in this issue. Power and ground is coming, but no output positive. The fuel pump. Thank you for watching. In the Lexus problem, this is the relay. This relay problem. This is the location. I change the relay. Now start the car and see the result. Start. Crank engine. Okay. Car is running. This relay control fuel pump. Cut off fuel pump relay. In the diagram, take C open relay. This one.